I trust you're gonna edit out any off-color stuff that I may or may not say.
Then we wouldn't have anything to put in the cut.
Shooting guns is a discipline that teaches you to do something right. If I don't take out this zombie clown like right now, I'm not gonna get any rest. The idea is to hit in the center of that target every time you pull that trigger. We'll see how he likes 308. It's the same thing in life. Every time you pull a trigger on something you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure you do it and do it right and get it done. Are you kidding me? One dead zombie clown. What a load off my mind. Either you're with me or you're out. The outdoors is the best part of being in northern Wisconsin. I love it. I don't know what I would do in the big city. What, go to the opera? Are you kidding me? There's certain things that I do only because I want it done just the way I want it done. I wear sleeveless shirts year round, but I don't care what the temperature is. There it is, 20 below zero, I don't care. I got the sleeveless on. So everybody knows me. You know you made it in life when you have your own action figure. When I leave, they go, who's that guy with the sleeveless shirts? What is that? What's that about? It worked. Yeah, I'm kind of the talk of the town on that kind of stuff. You betcha. Let's bring out the heavy artillery. Our range is located within the sovereign nation of Lauer land. The range is going hot. We do as we please there, and one of the things that we really please is to shoot guns like crazy. Hey, Gary.
Hey, Steve-O, that's mine, huh?
Yeah, it just came in. When it comes to building a custom rifle for somebody, there's basically nothing we can't do. Tell us what you want done, and we'll get it done for you.
I'd like a zombie slayer.
A zombie slayer?
Yes.
Got a little problem with zombies out at your place? We build them in such a fashion that they have their own little personalities. Crossbow, AR-15 mix. You gotta love it. And then we incorporate our gun finishes into them to make them very, very personal to each person that buys them.
I don't even want to know how much it costs.
You're gonna know.
Found it. The shotgun with the rotating handguard.
This is gonna be the safest vehicle that you could ever want to be in. Nobody will mess with you in this baby. Both my children, I made them come to work the minute they got a driver's license. Maybe put some spade grips on it, you know, so you can hold on it like that.
Oh, yeah.
I know that Amy does a lot of our marketing.
That's what I do. And then I pretty much solve everybody's problems. Everyone comes to me with their problem.
I mean, she's a go-getter, she's smart, she gets it done.
Pretty sure I didn't hear anything. That's a win for the youngin'.
My boy Mike, he does our Facebook, he does all the social media stuff. How much time a day do you spend on Facebook?
Depends on
I
the day.
mean, company time, not your personal stuff that you're sneaking in on the side. I mean, he's a good kid, he does good work, he's very intelligent, but it can get tense once in a while.
Are you kidding me?
He fights me a little bit.
That's the way it is with you all the time.
And I don't like employees that fight me. I'm gonna work with you for a while, but you gotta prove to me that this is gonna make us money.
Understood.
All right. I had to tell my boy a while back if he wasn't family, I'd have fired him. Let's take an AK-47 and run about 40 rounds at this bad boy. I met my wife in high school. She comes walking into this high school dance with this big, beautiful smile. I said, wow, I didn't know they made girls like that in Chippewa Falls.
Whenever I'm ever in a meeting or an introduction and someone says, tell us something about you, Debbie, that we would not know about you, I always will say, I love to collect Barbie dolls and handguns.
She goes to shows with us. She's an outstanding salesman. If we have decisions to make, we make them together.
So you bought a chair to put in the living room, replacing my chair that I bought.
And of course, I have one more vote than she does. At some point, I have to pull rank. So it tends to go my way.
My dad's motto is to the top. To the top, Ames, to the top. That's what he always says. It means we're never gonna stop.
Look at the size of those carburetors. Are you kidding me? Always make everything bigger, stronger, faster. Yes.
He always goes over the top, but it always turns out awesome.
You never met a mother quite like me.
I'm always on fire. I'm always doing something. I do not sit down. This is the longest I've sat in years. I don't even know why I bother walking down there. You know, it's always a bullet's always where I planted the sights. I mean, really?